Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what many consider the best Keroppi lunch bag available. The Hello Kitty Allover School Backpack in the cheerful Keroppi yellow. This backpack is not just about its adorable design featuring beloved Sanrio characters like Hello Kitty, My Melody, Kuromi, Keroppi, and Bats Maru, but also about its practical features and durable build, making it a fantastic choice for kids and even adults who want to carry their essentials in style. First off, let's talk about the construction. Made from durable polyester, this backpack promises long-lasting use. It measures 16 inches high, 12 inches wide, and 5 inches deep, which makes it roomy enough to fit everything from books and folders to tablets and laptops. For anyone who needs a versatile bag, whether for school, work, or casual travel, this backpack covers all the bases. It has a laptop sleeve inside, a front pouch for easy access to smaller items, and a side holder specifically designed for water bottles. All these compartments help keep your things organized and secure. Comfort is key when it comes to backpacks, and this one really shines. It features adjustable padded shoulder straps to ensure a snug and comfortable fit for all-day wear. The back panel is made from breathable mesh, which helps reduce strain and keeps you cool, especially during extended use. Additionally, it has a strong carry handle on top for easy lifting. The ergonomic design is thoughtful, it distributes weight evenly across your shoulders, making it easier on your back and shoulders whether you're heading to class, the office, or just out and about. Since this is officially licensed Sanrio merchandise, you're getting vibrant, high-quality graphics that truly bring these characters to life. The colorful, playful design makes it a standout accessory for fans of Hello Kitty and her friends. It's also an excellent gift option for birthdays, school events, or any special occasion where you want to show off your love for these iconic characters in a practical way. What's great about this backpack is that it's made for all ages. Whether you're a student needing a reliable school bag or an adult looking for a fun and functional travel companion, this backpack fits the bill. It holds plenty of essentials like cords, lunchboxes, folders, and tech devices, all while staying lightweight at just over 12 ounces. The 18-liter capacity is enough for daily use without feeling bulky. In summary, the Hello Kitty Allover School Backpack in Keroppi Yellow offers a perfect blend of charm, durability, and functionality. It's designed to keep your belongings safe and organized while letting you express your fandom in style. If you're after a cheerful, practical backpack that stands up to everyday use and features your favorite Sanrio characters, this one is definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest reviews and product insights. See you next time.